Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of outline on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve outline on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to CapCut. After that you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.